Tapos, this one naman. And kontrolado mo rin gaano kabilis. So, this Hi Mommy! So we are now off for another vlog. And for this vlog, we are going to have a product review on Medela Harmony. This is a manual pump that is really famous to the breast pumping world. Why? You'll find out in this video tutorial. Okay Mommy, so ito naman yung simple tutorial on how to assemble the pump parts of Medela Harmony. Actually, meron ng bagong labas ngayon na Medela Harmony, no? Yung breast shield is already silicone na. But in this one, ito pa yung old version. Yun lang naman yung nagkaiba sila. So, unahin natin dito. Ayan. This one is 21mm. Kasi 21mm yung nipple size ko. Sa Medela Harmony, yun nga lang, ang kasama niya is 24mm. So, you still have to buy breast shields na ka-size mo. So, nevertheless, according to some reviews of mothers out there na gumagamit ng breast shield na 24mm, still naman daw, mas smooth pa rin gamitin si Harmony kahit hindi nila ka-size. So sa akin, nakadagdag din siguro sa journey ng experience ko is because isinama na ng breast pumps for rent yung talagang tamang size ko, which is 21mm. That's why, bago ko bilhin to, na-experience ko na siya and I would really buy this pump. Okay, so pakita ko na sa inyo kung paano siya i-assemble. So, ito yung handle. Okay. Ayan. Ito, kabit nyo lang dyan. Okay. Tapos, this one, yung nakikita nyo na hole na yan, lagay nyo lang. Very simple. Nakakabit na siya. Then, it also has its valve. Okay. Bottle. 5 ml bottle din to. And breast shield. Okay na. Ganun lang kasimpleng i-assemble tong Medela Harmony. So, itong maikling handle, this is for massage mode. Ayan, makikita niyo dyan. Galing, no? Of all the manual pumps, ito yung may massage mode. So, pwede nyo siyang pindutin. Tapos, pag nagka-let down ka na, pag may tumulo ng milk sa breast mo, you may now press this one. Ito na yung expression mode. Okay. Sample natin yung suction level niya. By the way, yung gamit ko na breast model is maliit yung nipple size niya compared sa flanges. Kasi ito nung sinukat ko yung nipple size niya, 10mm lang. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung massage mode niya. So, ayan. Ang maganda sa manual pump, bahala ka kung gaano mo kabilis or kabagal pipindutin siya. Ayan, massage mode. Pwede rin na mild lang. Pwedeng mabilis. Pwedeng mabagal. Pwedeng matagal. Ayan. Assuming na may lumabas na milk. Ayan, may lumabas na milk. Press natin to. Okay. So, ang maganda sa manual pump, kontrolado mo kung gaano siya yung magiging suction level niya. So, this one, mild suction level. Ayan. Tapos, this one naman. And, kontrolado mo rin gaano kabilis. This disadvantage lang talaga sa manual pump compared to electric pump is mangangawit ka talaga. Unlike ng electric pump, pwede ka nagsa-cellphone, pwedeng may ginagawa kang iba. So, dito talagang effort, no? Talagang you would really use your hand. Okay. So, yan. That is how you use Medela Harmony. So there, I hope that you have learned something from this video, from the way on how to assemble a Medela Harmony plus its suction level. So there, mommies, I hope that you will click subscribe and you will like this video, and at the same time, please do share to other moms out there so they'll have an idea and visualization on how Medela Harmony works. So thank you. Happy pumping, everyone. God bless.